Hi, my name is Nicole, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a video using the app Wevideo. So first you're going to want to go to Wevideo, and once you're there you are going to have to log in, and after you log in it's going to take you to this screen. And you're going to see the words create a new, and under that you're going to see video, recording, GIF, and podcast. And you're going to go ahead and click video. So once you get here, you don't have to do anything, you just have to click start editing. Now once you do that, you need to think of a theme for your video because that's the very first step of making a video. Now usually a teacher assigns it to you or sometimes you think of it yourself. I think a fun, simple theme would be ice cream. So that's going to be our theme. Now, for the beginning of the video, we need an intro. So you're going to go to text, which looks like these two little screens with like an A on it. And once you're there, you're going to see all these options of text, and there's different types of text. Like there's motion, which is what we're on. There's static, which is like stuff that you would use at the end of the video. There's in season, which is like seasons. Like there's Mother's Day, Easter, St. Patrick's Day, Valentine's Day, and all the other seasons. There's also callouts, which is some additional stuff that you could add to your video. But the most popular one, the one that I really like to use, is motion. So once you're here, you need to find one that you like. And there's a lot of options, so it's kind of hard. But I think a nice one would be this one. Yep, that looks nice. So once you find one that you like, you're going to want to drag it down to the video. So, and you need to make sure that there's a green outline around it, because if it's red, it's not going to stay. Like if it's red, it's not going to stay. So you need to make sure that there's green around it. So after you do that, you could watch it, and yeah, it looks good. I think it looks nice. But there's only one problem. The background looks kind of plain. And a way you could fix that is that if you go to stock media, you could search in a theme, your theme of the video. And our theme is ice cream, so we search in ice cream. And once you search ice cream, you need to find a photo. Now, there's a mix of photos and videos, and it's going to be pretty hard to find a photo when there's all these videos too. So you're going to go up here, and you're going to click on these little lines, and they have like T's at the end. And once you click on that, you're going to see all these options with checks next to them. So you're going to want to uncheck every single one except for what you're looking for. And I'm looking for a photo. So we uncheck all of them except for photos. So you're going to click out of that. And now the only thing that's here is photo. No more videos or anything else. Now when you're looking for a photo, you have to make sure that your photo doesn't have all this black on the sides. So you need to make sure that your picture doesn't have all this black on the side. And it's covering up the whole screen. It's like this one. This one looks nice. That would be a good one. But it looks a little too, like, dark. I want it to be a little more colorful. I think this one looks nice. Now it's fine if it has just this little tiny amount of black on the sides. That's perfectly fine. So once you find one that you like, you're going to drag it down under your text. So now when you play it, the ice cream isn't going to be in the background. Now you could see the ice cream in the back. Now, if you double click on it, you could change the color of it. So once you double click on the text, you could change the color by clicking on the two little circles. So once you click on it, you could change the color. Now I think a color that like really pops is like blue or red or any colors like that. I kind of like blue though. I think that one looks nice. Now the line We could choose black maybe. I think we should just keep it. I think white looks nice. So after that, you could change what your text says. So after that, you're going to type in your theme and who it's by. But we don't have enough room to write who it's by in this text. So we're just going to write the title. So ice, I'll put ice there. And then I'll put cream here. Like that. So once you're finished making all the changes, you click on Save Changes. And that's going to save everything that you did. So now when you go back and watch it, it looks perfect. So after you do that, you might want to, if it's too short, like if you look right here, it's a little too short. So one way that we could fix it is that we could add another one in. So we could add that one in and then we could cut it. So how you cut stuff is that you need to click on it, whatever you want to cut. So I click on this and then I click the little scissors. And once you click the little scissors, you could drag the extra part that you don't want into the trash. So now when you watch it, it's the same length. So there's not going to be like any extra black. It's all going to be lined up perfectly. So after you do that, you're going to want to add some stuff in your video. So we could put a check mark next to video again. So now we need to look for some videos and photos that we think would look nice in our video. So I think this one would look good. Yeah, I think this one looks good. I think this one. Maybe this one. This one looks good. Oh, now this one's a little long. But we could do the same thing. We could just cut it. So you're going to click on it, and you're going to cut it, and you're going to drag the extra. So now we can continue. I think we could do this one. And we're going to cut it again. And I think we should put like 2 more things in our video. I think we could put this one in. Now after we do that, we could choose one more. I think maybe this one looks good. Oh, that one's really long, but we could just cut it. And we just cut this one a little. Just need to click on it and cut it. So we're going to drag this, and then we need to cut it. So I think like this looks good. And we could throw the rest of it away. And now we need to put an outro. So something that you could add at the end of a video is like thanks for watching and other stuff like that. So I'm going to go to text. And I'm going to look for something really simple. Now these first ones are really simple. They're just black and white. And there's different ones that you could say. Now they do have just a little bit differences in them. But I think a good one is this one. Yeah, I like this one. So you're going to drag it down and you're going to put it next to the photo. And then you could double click it and you could change what it says. So I think you could put thanks for watching. Then we could add an exclamation point to it, like that. So now you click. We could also change the color, but I kind of like it white. Because I mean, it'll look kind of weird if we change the color. But I'm going to keep it white. So I'm going to click Save Changes. And then after that, we could add like a final outro. Now, we could go to static because that's like the stuff that you use for outros. And I like using this one, end credits. Now, you drag it down. And you're going to click on it again. And you could customize what it says. So you could put directed by. And you could put who it's directed by. So I'm going to put Nicole because that's my name. And then it's produced by me too. So I'm going to just highlight it in backspace. That's a faster way that you could backspace things. And there weren't any actors in this, so we could delete this. And then we could put something else in it. So we could put like pictures by Wevideo because we found the pictures on Wevideo. So we're going to go right here and we're going to put pictures by Wevideo. Like that. So once you're done with that, you could scroll down and you could click Save Changes. But I think one more thing that we could add to it is that you don't have to, but I like adding this to it. So if you click over here, like the little screens, it's next to the text bubble up here. It takes you here and you could animate it. So you want to make sure that the blue is on the start. And if it's not, you could just click on it. And once it's on start, I like moving it up. Like you move the picture up here where like only a little bit's sticking out. And then on end, I like putting it all the way down with only a tiny bit popping out like that. And once you do that, you could click Save Changes. And now when you play that, it moves. So it's like how it is in like the action movies. And then that's the final end of the video. And we could add some transitions to it. So if you go up here, it's like this little square, like half filled, half not filled. There's different types of transitions that you could use. Now transitions are what's in between each clip. Like there's this, which is like cross spur. There's puzzle right. There's mosaic. I think like one of these colorful ones looks good. Since we're trying to make it like a nice fun video. So I think either the rainbow or the parasol. I think we'll do rainbow. So once you choose one that you like, you're going to drag it down in between the videos that you like. So in between the pictures and the video, you need to put one. And you need to make sure that it's green or else it's not going to stay. So once you finish doing that, if you watch the video, there's going to be the little rainbow sliding down every time it switches to a different picture. Now I think for the last one, we should put a different one. Since it's like the end credits, I think we should do, dip to white. Yeah, I like that one. We'll do dip to white in the end credits. And then now if you watch a little part of it, there's going to be like the rainbow coming down. And then at the end, let's see how the end looks. So it says thanks for watching. And then it dips white and then it goes to that. Yeah, I like that. Now we could add some music. Now, you could go to stock media or to audio. I like using audio better. But once you're here, you could choose some music that you like. I like this one, but I feel like we need something more like happy. This one's good. I like this one. So if we grab this and we drag it down to where it's green, next to the audio, because it's audio, we drag it down there, and then we need to cut it, or else the video is going to go on for so long, like for an hour, and it's not going to stop. So we need to cut it. And now one little extra thing that I like adding to my music is that, like, all the times, like at the end, I like making the music like go down a little, like make the volume go down a little. So how you do that is you go to this little blue line above the audio and you click on it, and then there's going to be a little white line. So once you do that, you're going to want to drag down the little white line, like right here, like this. I want the like music to go downwards. So you're going to make another little dot, and you're going to make it go like this. You're going to drag this one down too. So now when you play it, it goes, I need to make it a little more diagonal. So to do that, we're just going to drag it a little more this way. So when you play it, it goes like, the music goes lower. Like that. So it's like the music's like fading away, kind of. And we could also add that at the beginning, like just a tiny bit. So we could add, so we're going to do it just a little bit. So you need to make the dots, and you're going to drag it up. And then when it's up here, so now it sounds like this. Like that. So like it's really quiet, and then it goes to the full volume. So once you do that, which is just an optional thing, you don't have to do that, but you're gonna want to add a voiceover. So a voiceover is when you record yourself and you put your voice in the video without showing your face. So to do that, you want to go to My Media, the little star folder. And before you do the voiceover, you want to make sure that this little blue line, it's called the playhead, you need to move it all the way to the beginning, so it says 0000000, and then you're going to go ahead and click narrate. Now once you click on narrate, it's going to take you here, and you want to make sure that there's a little check mark next to the mute video while recording if you have music in your video. And then you want to make sure that you get close to the computer, and you're going to click record, and then it's going to count down, and then it's going to start recording your voice. Ice cream. Ice cream is a very delicious treat. There are many toppings that you could put on ice cream. Ice cream is a very good treat, especially on a hot summer day. You could find ice cream at the store, and you could pick your favorite flavor out of all the flavors. Ice cream is so good, and those are some reasons why. Thanks for watching. And once it stops, you're going to click save. And it might take a while to save because there's a lot of stuff that it has to save. So after you do that, it adds it in for you, and then you're finished. So you don't have to do You don't have to do anything else after that because that's the end of the video. So now we can see what it looks like. So we need to drag this all the way to the beginning. And we need to play it. Ice cream. Ice cream is a very delicious treat. There are many toppings to put on ice cream. Ice cream is very good, especially on a hot summer day. You could find ice cream at the store and you could pick your favorite flavor out of all the flavors. Ice cream is so good, and those are some reasons why. Thanks for watching! Now I think the video is pretty good, so after you do that, after you watch the video, you're going to click out of full screen and you're going to click finish. Now to do that, you could choose your title, and I chose ice cream, and you want to make sure that it's on HD. So you're going to click on that, and you want to choose your thumbnail, and these two aren't very good thumbnails, so I'm going to choose this one, and you're going to click on Google Drive, and then you click export. So now it's going to load, and it might take a while to load, so I'll see you guys when it does finish loading.
1 hour later.
Finally finished loading, and after that, it's finished and it's saved. So that's the end of the tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.